Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
So to loosen this connector, take a screwdriver and push this lock in. As you push this lock, you can wiggle the connector. Push up in this center tab. This connector lock is stuck right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some water displacement oil and just spray it in here to loosen it up a little. I'll let that go in. Some of this is due to like dirt and sand gets in here. So if some of that gets out, then it should be able to move a little easier. And spray a little bit down in here. Let it soak for a minute. There we go, it's starting to move a little bit. It's definitely smoother than it was. Then we'll use a Phillips head screwdriver. Pull these two Phillips head screws out. Right there. Helps to push down real hard on the screwdriver because it might be a little rusty. Pull that screw out. We can grab the top of the mass airflow and pull it out. To reinstall, we're going to line this up, line the two holes up, and we'll take the screws, put one in, we'll put the other screw in before we tighten them up. Now we can tighten them up. Just tighten it snug. It is plastic, so you don't want to crack it. Now we can reconnect the connector, line everything up, and push it on.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.